So, you may be wondering why I'm really mad right now. I just spent 13 minutes talking to what I thought was recording, and I didn't even do anything. It didn't record that entire 13 minutes. So now, I'm making this video again. Alright, here we go. Hello everybody, today we will be going over the disassembly of the KWA P226 MTP, which is this handgun right here. This is my go-to handgun for most events, mostly because the Glock is... the Glock's an interesting one. Anyways, I'm going to show you this assembly. You can use this just for basic maintenance, BB stock, whatever. So basically, make sure your magazine is out, or else none of this would happen. And then make sure your chamber is clear, which mine is. And then close that up. As you can see, the hammer is down. There is a lever right here that you can press down, and it grabs the hammer and activates it without hitting the firing pin, which means you don't end up, blasting grandma on the other side of the wall. This is also on the real life counterpart, so that's kind of why it's there. It's a safety feature. After that, as you can see, there is a notch, and the notch is facing this way. And on this side, there is a lever right here. You're going to want to turn this down until you hear a click, and this pops forward a little bit. Now the notch is facing up. Then you just slide it off like that, and you take your lower and just set it down anywhere. Now that you have your upper, you're gonna wanna push the spring forward and back, and then you get this. Set that off to the side. Then you're gonna wanna pop your barrel down and out. Take your upper, just set it down. And then, anyways, here's your barrel. You can do cleaning, all that stuff with it. So let's say you've cleaned it, all that stuff. You're gonna wanna take your upper again, take the spring thing, and then push it in until you can't see anything in this. Push it in until push it in. Come on. Okay. So it does that. Okay. Okay, so now that you, oh, come on. There we go. So now you have this. You're going to want to push it forward and hold on to it. Then take your barrel. Here's the slide for the chamber. You just push it in right there. And then take your spring thing, slowly tap it in. and then take up here and push it down so it sets in a little better, and then mess with everything until basically until this nub goes away. So yeah, push forward a little and pull it back again. Now take your lower receiver and then now that's locked in, take the lever from here and then it should automatically push to the side when you load it. Then take that hammer lever and release it. So yeah, that's basically it. After this, I'll be doing the KWA Glock 18C and then the M14. I'm doing the pistols first because they are way easier than the rifles. So at 100 subscribers, I'll do some special video, take off the mask, you know, Q&A stuff. So drop your comments, any videos you want to see, let me know. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. So we do the YouTube stuff, and yeah.